At the end of the case, when a client turns to me and gives me a hug or shakes my hand and can rest more easily, knowing that the problem has been solved, that they could focus their energy and their attention on their family, and knowing that I've basically helped them make the problem either go away or lessened it to such a degree where it doesn't have a long-term or lifelong impact on their lives.
In general, what we do is we challenge the government when the government is coming after a client, and we enforce our clients' civil rights and constitutional rights as they're afforded by the federal and state laws and constitution.
If law enforcement is in your life and you're under the microscope, so to speak, or you're facing charges or you've been arrested, that's where we come in. So it's myself and my brother. We're both former prosecutors in the South Florida area.
You know, we're here to protect and enforce rights, and if there is no one in the system or no one in the legal arena protecting people's rights, then the government will be able to do whatever they want. And I look at myself and we as a profession look at ourselves as a barrier between the government and the individual's rights. We differentiate ourselves based on several different factors. Number one is that we're local. My brother and I are products of the South Florida legal system. We both went to school here in South Florida, and professionally all of our experiences in the South Florida criminal justice system.
I think that in order for a criminal defense attorney to do a proper job, they need to have had the experience as a prosecutor. Know how the prosecutors think, what their parameters are, what their limitations are. So both myself and my brother are former prosecutors, myself a former prosecutor in Broward County, and Douglas a former prosecutor in Palm Beach County.
There are not many people that can say here in this area that can say that they have that wealth of experience, wealth of knowledge, and the depth of the law firm that we have. Between my brother and I, we have almost 50 years combined experience dealing with criminal justice matters here in Palm Beach County. We work together as a family, and we treat our clients like family. We give each of our clients the individual time and respect that they deserve in their matters, and we give them all the time that they need so that they know that we are working our best to get them the best possible result.
We handle our cases on our own and without any outside help, so to speak. So if you hire Leifert and Leifert, you get Brian Leifert on the case the whole way through.
Our practice is one client at a time, one case at a time. We don't get wealthy on any one particular client because that's just not the way it works. We try and provide them with the highest level of service so that they know and feel confident that we are actively working on their problem. Their file is not sitting in a drawer, and it's not sitting in a file cabinet. It's on our desks, and we're working on it until it's resolved. Our brother and I are both trained in the same way. We both have the same professional experience. We have the same professional drive to help people with their individual problems, and we can do it together. It's nice that we're friends, we're neighbors, and we're partners, and I don't think there are a lot of families that can say that they have that in their professional experience. Government intruding in a person's life, getting charged, is a major intrusion by the government. It is our job to prevent the government from really preventing them from living their life.
What we do as criminal defense attorneys in Broward County and Palm Beach County at Leifert and Leifert is help preserve and protect people's reputations.